Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to blur a video on KineMaster. If you want to add a touch of mystery or privacy to your videos, blurring specific elements can be a powerful tool. So let's get started. First of all, open your KineMaster application and open up a project. Start off by importing your video. Tap on Media at the top right to do so and select a video clip you want to edit from your camera roll or other sources provided by KineMaster. Once you select a video clip you want to edit, tap the tick mark at the top right corner in order to add the media to your timeline. Now that you've imported the video clip, click on Layer on the right hand corner. Now select Effect from the menu. Open up the Basic Effect option and here you will find various blur effects like Gaussian blur and mosaic. Choose the desired blur effect by tapping on it and drag the edges of your effects layer to choose the desired part of the video you want to blur. Now, after you are done, you can now adjust the size and shape of the blur area to your liking by dragging this little corner or using the rotate tool on your preview screen. After you cover the area you want to blur by adjusting its size and shape to your liking, you have now successfully blurred out your video. Once you're happy with the result, you can export your video by clicking on Export at the top right and tap on Save as Video on the bottom right corner after choosing your export setting. So that's how you can easily blur a video on KineMaster. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.